See, the sun sets over here. Today's June 16th, 2020. So the sun, this is like the third longest day, I guess, of the year. And the sun sets over there now. You see this shadow. You don't see that in January or February or March. I'm not really sure when you first see it, but see, in the winter, the sun sets over there. And it sets here in the summer, and it sets there in the winter. So the sun doesn't shine through the wall, but it can shine through the window. And it creates this. So enjoy it while we can. I know it's not much, but you don't see that in December, January, February, or November, October. I wonder, do you see it in September? I don't think so.